Where we are at Hobby Lobby. So, first of all, I'm gonna get these two so far, which is pretty close to my dress color. So let's see what else I can
Yes,
create.
guys. So literally, I'm just walking through to see what colors that match my dress. As you notice, and what I noticed in Hobby Lobby, a lot of these bins or containers are empty when they didn't used to be empty before, but now they kind of, yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, but I noticed a lot of things in it that I wanted to create, and my mind get like these big explosions of ideas whenever I'm in Hobby Lobby. So I'm like a kid in the candy store when it comes to creating stuff. But basically, I'm looking for flowers, as you can see here, to make a flower crown for my photo shoot that matches the colors in my dress. And like I said, look, all these things are they're empty. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. So yes, I'm gonna continue looking to find what colors that matches my dress. And these flowers, I'm usually call them my filler flowers. Basically, it's flowers that I use to kind of fill in the ones that is the main character. Yeah. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, even though Hobby Lobby's bins, some of the containers are missing, I still found a lot of these. As you can see, they still have a lot of flowers to choose from. After coming from Hobby Lobby, I went over to Walmart to get me some Gorilla Glue. Because what's a DIY project without Gorilla Glue? Okay, guys, so as you can see, I am back home. It is late, and in this video, I'm just going to show you what I ended up getting from Hobby Lobby, and also a little bit, well, one set of flowers from Walmart. I decided these was going to be the perfect combination for my dress. And look at the colors. They're soft, they're pastels, it's very spring, and is exactly what I wanted. These set of flowers I got from Walmart because I could not find that exact color at Hobby Lobby. Now, out of all the videos I've made, why is this one dark? Why is this one darker than all the videos I have made? I don't understand. But I am going to get me more lighting. Just because of this video, I'm going to get more lighting. But in this video, I'm showing you this spool of ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby to place around my headband. I didn't show it in the video, but all you have to do is hot glue the ribbon around the headband all the way around and leave some length on it so you're able to tie it and secure it once you wear it. And these little green pieces are basically like a stabilizer. So you have something more stable to put your flowers around. So here I'm cutting all the stems off of my flowers because I won't need them. And at this point, after cutting all your flowers off its stem, then you would take all your flowers and place them as you, well, I place them as I please. As you can see, the foam on the back is basically a stabilizer for, or a base for your flowers to hold on to in a sense. So yeah, just literally get your flowers and place them as you like them. So I won't be showing the whole process, but I think as you could see, one just fell off and that may happen. Just make sure that you know your flowers are placed securely. But yeah, it'll happen sometimes where you would place something in the spot and it just falls off, and it's a DIY project. It always come out good in the end. Just keep going. So this process probably took me about, I can't really say. I was kind of taking breaks in between, but maybe an hour, 2 hours to finish because I wanted to make sure that I place all my flowers in exactly the place that I want to see them on my head. And also, I wanted one side to be higher than the other and not exactly place the flowers that I wanted, the colors that I wanted right next to each other. I wanted to spread them out and have a pop, like you see the pop of blue here, just that pop of blue. And then I have the lighter blue on the side, and that's exactly what I wanted. Because my dress, I wanted the blue to pop a little more on that headpiece. But yeah, it didn't take that long. You just have to have a little patience. This is, if I'm not doing anything else, if I'm not working, this is what I'll be doing. Beading, I'm making headpieces, I'm making flower crowns. Do not judge me. My crafting table is crafty. Let's just put it that way. It's a little messy right now, but I was just showing you guys what it kind of looked like. If you're an arts and craft type of person, you already know what it be looking like in the crafting room. Okay, so what do y'all think of? What do you guys think about my headpiece? Of course, I like it. I worn it. Oh, by the way, you're going to see the pictures in the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But you can create this headpiece in whatever color that you want. You could use it for baby showers, for your flower girls, for weddings, for parties, for graduations. You just have to make it in the way that you want it or the colors that you want and wear it like that. And this is my picture from my photo shoot. I have more pictures, but I will post them on my regular posts. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching always. Subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys in the next video.